Hello, welcome back, motherfuckers, to the Tobrut.
Hi.
No, Pak. Ter, take off the mask.
Yahoo!
Ter, we do not have the money for that, Ter. Jangan, Teri.
Try to take off my mask, bitch.
Lepas.
Okay.
Ah.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Tobrut.
Bawa pesan ini ikut bersekutu. Tempat ibadah terbakar.
Yeah! True! I forgot the camera. Okay.
It's right over there, Teri.
Yeah, I forgot.
Hello.
Hi, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, so any updates for today,
Any
basically?
updates? Well, since where do I look? Here? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Today's update, motherfuckers. This episode is now officially green lighted. We get to do more episodes in the future.
Let's go.
So the first thing that we are going to do, you wanna guess what the first thing we're gonna do today?
We're gonna try to be cancelled.
Hell yeah. We're gonna talk about curse words, offensive words in Indonesia, man.
Let's go. So basically, why curse words? Why do you wanna cover these topics, basically? Yeah.
Om, mau ngapain lo?
Kalau masih kinclong.
Kayak gitu.
Oh enggak.
Oh, masih biru.
Cibiru.
Review Avatar kan.
Teng dong. Beda ya.
So basically, why do you want to cover this topic? Basically, like curse words in Indonesia. Why?
Because why not?
Well, I mean, like that's kind of true. Like, of course, like it's fun. I think cursing in Indonesian or in Bahasa actually is like meaner or like I don't know. It's just easier to get out rather than using like a American curse words. Basically,
Well, yeah, motherfucker.
right
Because
in the
like,
pussy.
that's our mother tongue.
Yeah, no. But other than that,
Like,
other
listen,
than
bro.
being a mother tongue, but I mean, like, even
I mean-
if we are like talking in English or like whatever, I think like cursing in Indonesia while even like speaking in English is actually better. Like this thing ngentot gitu.
I mean-
something like that.
I mean, like, to be fair, right? Like, even like the foreigners, when they try to say like Indonesian words, like for example, I have this one friend from the internet, from Discord. He's from the US, and
Okay.
I basically I told him like one language, and it's kumbang, right? Bugs, right? Beetles and shit. Kumbang, yeah.
Kumbang.
And for them it's hard to say because it's it's technically just kambang. Kambang. Like not even like it's not even a curse word, but they actually just see it like. Can you not stop saying cum? The fuck, bro? The episode, we haven't even started trying to discuss like the curse words in Indonesia, and you're trying to say, "Oh, come!" I'm like, no, stop.
Okay. So you teach them the word kumbang.
Yeah, we're just saying like,
But he
kumbang.
just basically like
Yeah, you know. Do you know the exact words that he says?
what?
Yo, what the fuck is this word, man? It's fucking cumbang, bro. What is this? A
Well,
porn
I mean-
website? Like, no, what the hell?
I mean, a lot of foreigners also have a struggle with the word chumi.
Kami.
Yeah. Exactly. Because I remember this skit where like Patrick said like
SpongeBob?
from SpongeBob. He said like, "Oh, Squidward, can you do you know squids in Indonesia?" And then it's a fan made video, of course, but like like Squidward was like opening his Google Translate or something, and he was like, "Chumi, yeah, you got the kumi," and
Oh.
Patrick just.
So like this thing. What is it, Patrick? Is it
Yeah, like-
kami or chumi or something like that?
got kami,
Nah, bro. Oh yeah, by the way, we're being told that when we speak too close, that the voice gets so loud. So technically, if we do this, we have to speak very quietly. This is an ASMR episode. I love your dad.
Okay, so
Bentar.
back to the topic.
Okay, back to the topic.
Back to the music.
All right.
Back to the beat.
No, stop. So,
YTTA.
all right, I'm gonna look to that camera right now. So
Yeah.
basically, today we're gonna talk about the dichotomy, the etymology, the biography, the biology, the geography of curse languages in Indonesia.
Okay, but before going to that, let's talk about where do curse words come from?
They come. Actually, not that much. Do you know?
Of course. Because I did the research. Somebody didn't do the research, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so basically, curse words are like basically in the old times. Like we're talking about really, really old times. Like people actually not Majapahits, but basically like when I think it's when the religious are founded. Basically, so basically they use a lot of religious words, but they use it as a like derogatory version of
Derogatory.
it. Derogatory. Yes, I'm sorry, like derogatory version of it. So like when you're saying something like holy,
Holy cow!
or like something like Jesus Christ, like it used to be a taboo word or like a curse word basically. So that's where it comes from, right? Like it's kind of neutral these days when you're saying like Jesus Christ or like holy blah, like holy shit or something like that.
So
but like
yeah,
it's like the original, like where curse words were originated from. It's like I don't know. It's the
basically using the Lord's name in vain.
Yeah,
Is that what you're
they
trying to say?
technically use the Lord's name in vain, which basically against the 10 Commandment, which they are already being like, it's like a curse in a way. So that's why it's called curse words.
Yeah, so then they develop the usage of curse words into like something else, and they use it to, how do I say this? To curse their situation basically. Yeah.
Yeah. So in any like inconvenient moment or like in a inconvenient way, they will say something like Jesus Christ, but like it's not like they're praising him in some way, but like it's actually used as a curse.
Yeah.
And they take it like, oh wow, you just like literally put a God's name in vain, which is not good. In older times, like in recent times, probably if you say something like a Jesus Christ when you're like surprised or something,
Yeah, I mean
like,
it's pretty normal.
yeah,
nowadays,
it's kind of
to be honest.
normal. It's kind of tame, I must say. It's not really,
Yeah, like-
something like
yeah. Everyday motherfuckers you just go like, oh fuck, oh shit.
Yeah, you don't feel cursed out or like
Yeah,
cussed
exactly.
out by people saying like Jesus Christ to you or like holy Buddha. You just being so mean right now. Jesus.
Holy like
Holy macaroni, holy moly.
yeah, that's just like macaroni is just a food. Like mackerel is a fish. Like what the fuck you talking about when you use like holy shit, holy blah 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 blah. Okay, maybe not shit yet, but
yeah.
anyways, we all know the curse words. Y'all know what it is.
I don't know
And-
any curse word, guys.
Oh, fuck off.
I'm a holy person. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
you're a
don't-
holy
I
person.
don't really use any curse word.
No,
in my
no.
life.
You are a holy person. That's why you use your whole mouth to yap all the time. Wow. And actually, anyways, when it comes to like curse words, right? Or
Thank you so much for Damn, I cannot come back from that. No. So this is the thing, guys. So basically, last night Uda told me like, we used too much your mama jokes in our last episodes, right? So I was like, okay, I will try to reduce the usage of your mama's jokes in our podcast. But now like this motherfucker's trying to do it. Like he literally bait me to use it. And I was like, damn, I cannot just do your mama jokes like just like a literal second back there. And I was like, what
Damn.
do I say right now?
bro,
What do
I was
say
just
right
saying
now?
that you use your whole to yap, bro. Oh,
Well-
I know what you're gonna go with there. Yeah, I can't speak.
Just suddenly I'm illiterate. not the illiterate jokes, man. I mean, like shit. We gonna.
Yeah.
Ooh, a lot of people already cuss me out because I use English in this
Yeah.
podcast. Like for real, true story.
Yeah, like Pharrell Williams, happy. No,
What?
that's copyright. No.
We cannot use that.
Yeah, we
Editors.
can't. Editors.
Every time I say editors, their lifespan just
it was like
just reduced by 1 year.
do we in the background was like, fuck this shit, bro.
I have to do something again.
Oh my God.
Every time I say
fucking
editor.
copyright bullshit, man. I'm gonna
Okay.
put another meme in here. Fucking hell, bro.
Thank
I've
you,
seen
dude.
your guys' reviews about the episode. Thankfully, you guys enjoyed it, but holy fucking shit, you guys dissed a lot about our like dynamic being YTTA or like I don't know, we just keep going saying about your moms.
Yeah.
Maybe we should talk about your mom next episode. I don't
Yeah.
know.
What about your mom? Is she a nice person?
Yeah, I bet she's a nice person.
I
Yeah.
bet she's a nice person. I bet she'd
Yeah.
ever yell to you.
Yeah, I bet your mom is buhaja. I don't know. Fucking hell.
Well, I mean, that's good for them.
Yeah, that's good for them. Exactly. We're complimenting your mom.
Okay, so
Yeah.
back to the topic again. We we just ran too much, man.
Yeah, because like we're talking about curse words and shit like that, right? Like,
Okay.
yeah, we're trying to dive deep. Sorry, Ed. We're trying to dive deep into the topic of like the usage of Indonesian curse words and where they come from and how are they used and how fucking hell, and how the foreigners who are like interested in Indonesia could learn, you know, and not get tricked by your locals and just like by saying, yo, if you talk to that mister right there, you're gonna say, hey, like, hey, pak, ngentot or something like that.
Asyik kontol sama lu semua.
What the fuck
Kontol
does that
means
mean?
handsome, guys.
Yeah, you look like kontol. Like, what the hell? Like,
So
no.
basically, we're helping you guys,
Exactly.
foreigners / bule
Exactly.
in Indonesia. So thank us later
Well, you're
because
gonna thank us later.
you're not gonna get tricked by your,
Yeah.
close friends or like your, I don't know, tour guides in Bali.
Yeah, exactly.
Or
You're not getting
just like in
you're not getting tricked.
Jakarta.
You're
Yeah,
not getting
you're not
tricked.
gonna get. Yeah, not gonna get trapped.
Yeah.
because
You're not getting punched by locals.
Yes, we are here to help you. We are on your side. That's why you go subscribe to our YouTube channel right
Yeah, exactly.
now.
To YouTube, and
Yeah.
then if you want further swearing details, go check our OnlyFans.
We have OnlyFans
No,
now?
we don't. We will never. I
We
think
get
we will never have.
green-lighted for OnlyFans?
No. I don't think we're ever going to get OnlyFans. But to be honest, hashtag still no OnlyFans, guys.
Yeah.
Put it. We put it here. Hashtag still no OnlyFans ya. Taruh sini nih.
Not do we?
Yeah. Hashtag no OnlyFans.
Bro, no. But
Terus,
like,
and then put explosions there.
and then put a car just
Just
straight
put
around
a
there.
flying UFO over here. Yeah, you can curse us later. Okay?
Yeah,
Sorry.
you can plot us right at
Yeah.
I'm sorry. We're
Sorry,
sorry. Dwi. You did a really great job.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right.
You're better than us.
So curse words. So what do you like? What Indonesian curse words do you know?
Well, I mean, I know a lot of it because I used to, study in a public school basically. Like I know a lot of it, even from like from another side of Indonesia, not only from Jakarta, right? So
Yeah,
like,
shout out to Terry School, by the way.
yeah, shout out to SMA 68.
Anyways,
Okay, so curse words, right? I mean, you know the basic trees, the basic ngentot, kontol, titit. Of course, you know all of them, right? Like basically, and then you have the animals from the animal kingdoms. The anjing, babi, bangsat, bajingan, kampret. You know that type of things.
But bajingan is not even technically an animal.
Bajingan is kind of like
But-
it's like like
It's a squirrel.
It's like a mite. No.
It's a
bajingan. Okay, sorry,
Bajing.
not bangsat. Okay,
That's different,
bajingan
that's
is
different.
it's like a squirrel or like a ferret kind of thing.
squirrel.
It's more of squirrel, right?
Squirrel.
It's more of squirrel.
Yeah. Anyways, we gonna dive into these kind of words, right? Like,
Yeah.
So, first word, ngentot.
Okay, so ngentot comes from the word kencan total or total dating. So basically, what happened was people are used to date each other, right? So
They still do that.
They still do. Yeah. I mean, like, okay. So back in the day, we don't have
the word.
the word for like, because people when they're dating, they usually also do the the adulting, the
Sex.
mature thing. Yeah, the sex. Can we say that?
It's
Okay, so the sex. So basically, it says kencan total or kentot, and
Yeah.
they changed a little bit of it to ngencan total.
basically change it into a verb.
Yeah, changing it to
Kencan
a
to
form.
mencan to
So basically,
mengencan.
when you dating someone or when you kencan with someone,
Fully.
it's ngencan. So that's why it become ngencan total or
Ngentot.
Yeah, in short, ngentot. Basically, kontol.
Di situ tulis ngentot.
Ngentot. Di atas gue, now above me there says kontol.
Now you know.
Now you know. Ngentot. Now kontol. Kontol is a Japanese word.
Okay,
Something.
wait. Before we continue to kontol, right?
Okay.
So basically, ngentot is the equivalent to fuck.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we have to
Yeah, just give a little bit of context, you know.
Okay.
And then how, when you
How
use
to
it.
use it?
Yeah, usually.
Okay.
Like,
Okay,
It's
okay.
just when you're frustrated, when you're angry, or like I don't know, like okay, when you're describing an action, like ngentot, or basically just calling someone si ngentot, like whatever gitu.
Okay,
Like
so-
that's weird to me. Like why would you call someone a fuck? I mean,
Ngentot total.
Yeah, like si ngentot lagi begini aja kayak
Yeah.
what the fuck is that gitu.
Okay.
What the fuck does that mean?
I
gitu?
get it. Okay, so it's kind of hard for me to explain it like seriously. Like I
Yeah.
know it's a very serious topic. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Okay, so so ngentot, right?
air, water.
No. I'm okay. So ngentot, right? Ngentot is the same as fuck in English. So basically, you saying ngentot to someone to basically cuss them out. Like ngentot is an action like fucking, right? So it's kind of the same.
Yeah,
so
fucking,
basically when you
fuck,
call
yeah.
like fuck you to someone, you can also say ngentot lu
Yeah.
to someone either. And ngentot also could be used some kind of like a positive word because they're like you know, woi lu habis ngentot, or yeah, you
Yo.
just fuck somebody. Like it's not really a curse word. right?
Well, it's not necessarily used in a positive manner. It's just asking a question. It's just like, well, because the word ngentot itself means like, oh yeah, fucking yeah. That's just you know, did you fuck, like, or did you do this? Did you do this? Or my guy, or whatever, right? Like it's just a word, but in the context of like curse words, it's usually never used in a good manner.
I guess so because
Yeah.
because basically when you ask someone, it's not like in a
Yeah, it's a
in a
private
negative.
question.
It's not a negative setting, right? So
Yeah.
like that's why I'm saying like, is it positive question mark?
It's not
positive.
really.
It's
It's
just
not really.
it's just basically asking, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, basically the N word in I mean ngentot, guys. Not. No, I mean the N word from Indonesia.
No, there is no N word in Indonesia. Stop,
Okay.
stop saying that
It's
that
different.
is the N word.
It's different,
Just
guys.
it's
It's
just
different.
ngentot. That's it. Stop, Terry. Stop.
Oh my god.
All right, fuck. We're gonna move to the next curse word. Holy
Okay, so
shit.
basically ngentot is fuck, and you
Ngentot
can
is
use
fuck.
it to say fuck you,
Yeah.
ngentot lu, or like are you fucking today, ngentot lu ya.
Yeah, or like
Okay,
atau
okay.
kayak,
Another
this fuck, or like si ngentot nih gitu kan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like that gitu. Very Jaksel-esque gitu. Si ngentot nih anjing.
Yeah. Why so swaggy though?
Yeah.
Okay, but
Because Jaksel.
next word udah.
Anyways, next word is kontol. Yeah,
Yeah.
put it right there. Kontol. Yeah,
Put
kontol.
this put the image of kontol.
Yeah, like a tall corn.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not corn tall, by the way. So basically, from what we researched, kontol is from a Javanese word that means penis.
Yeah, but other word for penis usually you also gonna
Yeah,
heard
we're-
something different for penis. It's titit.
Yeah.
But what's different from it is like kontol is from Javanese, from Jawa, basically. Jawa is where
Javanese.
Yeah, Javanese is where you find Indonesia. Not Indonesia. I mean Jakarta, the capital city for now, or Bandung, Yogyakarta is in Jawa. Is in Java. Okay, so titit is from the Hokkien. It's from the
Or
Chinese.
a
language.
dialect from Mandarin.
Yeah, a
in
dialect
essence.
from Mandarin, from titi.
Titi.
I think it's what
Yeah.
titi or titi.
Titi.
Or
It's I don't know. I
Yeah,
don't
we're
know.
not gonna.
I'm not learning
We are
Hokkien
not.
for
We are
this.
not going to culturally appropriate the fucking thing, right?
Yeah.
It's titi. I don't know. Is it TT or
Titi.
TT or whatever?
Yeah.
Like there's different dialect to it. There's
Yeah.
different toning to
Tone
it.
in
But-
Hokkien as well,
But
yeah.
essentially, like titi, like correct us if we're wrong. By the way, correct us if we're wrong.
It means
It
penis.
means penis.
Yeah.
And yeah, so usually like in like a funny context, right? I try to teach my foreign friends like an Indonesian word, like, oh yeah, give me an Indonesian word. And I just went like, titip. I was like, the fuck does that mean? That means dick. And then they thought like, oh, that sounded so cute. And I went like, you know what? I agree. Because like there's different derivations, like different versions of it. Apparently, I did not know. Because like I swear to God, my grandma when I was a kid, when I was a kid, like after I went for a shower and shit like that, my grandma used to say, "Eh, tutup dulu cikonitnya." Okay.
What? The
Yeah.
what?
The cikonit.
Chikon is
Basically dick. I was like, what the hell? I was like,
Is that-
tutup dulu, diandukin dulu cikonitnya. What the
is
hell?
that padang? Is that padang?
Padang, the fuck you mean? I like stop being bule. Padang.
Is that
Padang.
menangis?
That's crying.
No, menangis.
That's just say Minang language or what?
Okay, is that Menang language?
No. I don't know from which dialect that comes from.
What? Chico what?
Chikonit.
Chikonit.
Like I don't know
I
why.
never heard a chick on it.
Yeah, I also never heard of chikonit, and then
I
apparently
can write a chick on it. Hey.
Bada bop boom pow.
Damn. Like it's good. Sorry. What? Why? No, stop that. No, that's just offensive. That's just offensive.
No. Yeah, but like, yeah, that's the only time I heard about the word chikonit. Apparently, it's still funny, but ya udahlah ya gitu. Anyways, yeah, so it basically this is udah ter. Come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can be wild again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Okay. Next word.
Next word basically is just animals.
It's the animalius. It's the zoo type of words. Not really, because you cannot find a lot of
Macan
these
lu.
animals. No, not like that. But like, yeah, you probably heard this a lot. So like, anjing, babi. Anjing is dog. Babi is pig. Bangsat is like a mite. I
Termite,
guess.
yeah, termite.
Like a termite, basically. Bajingan is from the squirrel. And kampret is a bat. So basically, these 5 animals, basically, it's just a word association because they're like, they're like,
Yeah, animalistic.
could hurt human, basically, or dirty because like, babi or pigs are dirty. And we hate the pigs, especially in the uniform. No. Not the pigs.
Not funny.
Okay, sorry.
No. Yeah, but like, yeah.
Yeah. But like, yeah, these animals, right? Because like, dogs could bite, like anjing, babi is dirty, pigs.
Yeah, we tend to use like animals for like curse words. Even monyet.
Oh yeah, I actually forgot about monyet.
Monyet lu kadang-kadang
But
gitu.
why monkey those? Because like monkeys have bigger IQ than a lot of Indonesians.
Not monkeys. Those shit are different. That shit's different. That's a chimpanzee.
That's a chimpanzee.
And chimpanzee is not a monkey, it's an ape. Okay, get it right.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Yeah, by the way, I watch a lot of like National Geographic and Animal Planet, so I know. So like,
Privilege.
yeah, I'm privileged. So
He
what?
has Indovision as a child. Privilege.
Well,
He watched cable, guys.
Yeah, I watched
He
cable.
got cables, guys.
yeah, you're
I
watching
don't.
Disney Channel.
You watched Jack Paul as a kid, cringe.
No, no,
Cringe,
ew,
cringe.
no.
You watched
Ew.
Jack Paul.
Anjing lu.
Nice. That's how you use it. That's
Yeah.
how we use
Yeah,
it.
that's how you use it.
Just use it as a noun, basically.
Yeah, basically as a noun,
Yeah,
like
basically
a
use it as
description.
a noun, like a description when you describe somebody, like his action or just
Yeah.
his or her. Okay, we need to curse equally, guys. Not only curse to
Yeah,
the males.
men, women, children, old people.
Yeah, but I only have male friends.
Yeah, that's just
Yeah,
sad.
because I'm an incel.
Okay, so
let's go.
hashtag no fap.
No, not November. Let's go.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Anyways, this is
Okay.
how you use it. Termo kalau kayak anjing, kontol, babi, ai. I don't know what ai means. I don't know. I just
Ai shitego.
I shitego.
No.
Shit, no. Ah, fuck. What have I done? What have I done? No.
Am I blushing?
Yeah, but usually when it comes to like the curse words in Indonesian, they tend to use animals as a word of description. When you call someone a dog, when you call someone a pig, a monkey, and actually, technically, bajingan is not necessarily about a squirrel, right?
Yeah.
It's usually they're usually talked about as like bajing loncat.
Yeah, a thief.
Yeah,
A
thief.
theft.
Yeah. Basically, it's okay. So bajing loncat, if you guys didn't know, is basically a how do I call it? Yeah, a group of bandits. Yeah, bandits. That's
Yeah,
the right word.
yeah, that's
a
a
group
good-
of
that's a good
rogues,
word.
a group of bandits who actually like jump on trucks or incoming vehicles in the dark roads of Sumatra at night, and basically they try to steal things from said trucks.
From the trucks, yeah.
Yeah, and they called bajing loncat because they literally jump from trees.
Yeah, and people are usually like, scared or surprised by the appearance of these bajing loncats.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Yeah,
like that,
basically, and they call it bajingan or
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah, or you can see it in your local like TikTok or Twitter, but basically a video of a guy just screaming "Bajingan, Bajingan," you know.
Shout out Vincent.
Who's is that guy? What?
Yeah, that's Vincent who said that the bajingan words. It's Vincent.
Bajingan! Bajingan!
Bajingan.
Yeah, that word.
Vincent who? Rompis.
Yeah.
No, like from the old guy on the street.
Another one.
Stop, jangan iya terus. Belajar untuk bilang enggak.
Oh, the
Yeah, no,
different-
that
Oh.
video. I'm not talking about Vincent Rompis. No.
Okay, sorry. Cut that shit.
He's still in hiding, by the way.
Sorry. Next word.
Legolas still in trouble. Hashtag free Legolas.
No. Okay. Don't support anyone. Just don't support anyone freely in this channel. Okay.
Yeah. Hashtag Return of the King. Hashtag Lord of the Rings. I'm not talking about that Legolas, by the way. I'm talking about
Pretty
Orang
dope
the Broom.
stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Next word.
Next word. Tat, 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 tat. Pap, pap.
Goblok.
No, not goblok. No, first is silit or sundala. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
We can talk about that. Okay.
Silit. Sundala. Okay, so silit or sundala. Well, I mean, they're both different words and they both come from different regions. Silit comes from Java, right?
Silit, it comes from Java, right?
Yeah, silit comes from Java and sundala comes from Makassar, I believe, or an island in Sulawesi.
Yeah.
Basically an area in Sulawesi, but I think prevalently Makassar. I remember someone telling me that Sundala comes from Makassar, and it literally means the dead skin or like the dirt in like, how do you call it? What's the English to selangkangan? What the fuck?
Crotch.
Yeah, it's basically the dead skin, the dead sweaty skin on your crotch.
Okay, so basically this is my selfish request, but can we skip this one?
Why?
I don't know, like talking about crotch, right?
Okay, yeah, Sundala basically. It's used to describe if you're a bastard or you're an asshole. Basically, swep Sundala or something like that.
I cannot with this episode, man. But like, yeah,
I mean, we're
see
trying,
it, right?
Yeah, Silit, Sundala. Silit is also the same thing. You're from Java, right?
Yeah, we desperately try to educate you guys. So really, really thank us later, okay? Next.
Why are you so sad about this? Why are you so disappointed about this?
No, I'm just like, we're just two dudes talking about curse words in Indonesian, and I was like, it's fine. It's not fine. It's not fine. It's not fine.
It is fine.
Cursing is not fine. We
Yeah,
literally teaching kids to curse in Indonesian. Why? Are you playing a Valorant game?
Chamber kontol.
Are you playing a ranked game in Dota 2 or something?
Yeah,
No,
so
we cannot curse. We shouldn't be cursing, basically. Why we are teaching curse? But next word is goblok.
goblok.
Goblok. Goblok basically means stupid in Javanese. In Jawa, we say goblok. Like the word, like we usually say something like goblok kamu le.
Goblok kamu le.
Yeah. Le is just like
You.
a male kids.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you're saying like a male kids, it's tole or
Tole.
le.
Yeah, that's also a curse word. Yeah, tole.
Tole is not really a curse word.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah,
Actually,
well,
in the early 2000s, tole means like tolol or like stupid or something.
Oh yeah, but that's just a slang or something. We don't
Yep.
really use that anymore. But like in
Yeah.
Japanese, tole is something you call a little kid, not a little kid, a little boy precisely, because
Yeah.
for girls it's a different one. So
Yeah, there's also goblok, dongo, dungu,
don't look at me like that. I will
tolol,
yeah. Okay.
bodoh. Yeah, see, guys, that's how you use it. Angis. Gimmick mulu.
Okay. So like goblok basically stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically that's it. So for all the foreigners out there, if you hear the words like bule goblok, bule tolol, just know they're talking about you.
Yeah. It's stupid. It's different from crazy, basically.
Yeah.
It's not crazy. It's gila. Goblok is stupid.
Oh,
so
gila.
if you being called gila or crazy, sometimes it's a positive connotation. So we're basically thinking like gila is not a negative thing, but when you
Sometimes.
sometimes, but like most of the times it's not really negative. But like when they say that you are goblok, then something must have been wrong with you, and you have to reevaluate yourself basically.
Yeah,
So,
for
you
that-
bullets out there, when they say goblok to you, you have to be self-conscious about it. Basically, yeah.
You
be self-conscious about it.
gotta realize that you're actually doing something stupid.
Yeah.
basically.
That you're basically just like riding your mopeds in Bali without a helmet, or just basically you're just speeding in the highway or something.
Yeah,
and so-
or you're just going against traffic lights and shit. you
yeah,
know?
or you're just riding your speedboards or jet skis, 10 kilometers faster than the limits. So yeah.
Just don't be a goblok. Just
Yeah, don't be stupid basically.
Iya.
Jangan goblok gitu.
Jangan goblok.
Nakal boleh, bego jangan.
Exactly.
Yeah, what
but
he
usually
said.
when you said about like the word gila, right? It's
Yeah.
usually sometimes either gila or sinting. Okay, gila or sinting and yada yada yada. And sometimes they are used in a positive manner. Like I'm gonna use this in a very Jaksel accent. Like gila loh.
Yeah, basically.
Gila. Okay. Cool banget lo gila or some shit like that. I don't know. Yeah, sometimes they do that, right? Like when they smoke and they say gila.
Yeah, something
Gila.
like that. Yeah, I think that's why we don't really put gila in this list.
Like
basically.
you can't use these like you can't use like goblok in a fucking well, I mean sometimes you could like anjing lah goblok betul lu tai gitu, something like that. Sometimes
Yeah,
it could be.
Sometimes it could be. But
Yeah.
I think we still have a lot of things in our
Oh yeah,
list.
we have a lot. We have a lot to go
this.
through.
So let's just speed run it.
Okay. Tai.
Shit.
Yeah, basically your poop.
Yeah, sialan.
Yeah, just basically shit. Sialan basically means you're unlucky as fuck. Or like,
Yeah, you're
oh
unlucky
my
as
god,
fuck.
sialan lo, like that. You know.
Yeah,
you-
like betul.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Yeah, you
Memek.
bring me back bad luck. Or yeah, memek.
Pussy.
Or pussy, yeah. Or vagina words like
Vagina
memek,
word.
puki, cuki, everywhere. See that?
Degrading shit for the LGBTQ and sex worker like lonte or maho or boti or banci or bencong or mukahan or jablay, and the last of the list is saga things like jawir, jamet or silom for Islamic kids and
Okay, but before we rush into it too much, Before we
Yeah.
rush, calm down.
Okay,
Before we rush,
I just
Before we rush.
rapping basically.
Okay, so actually, Puki, Chuki, they come from different regions. I think Chuki comes from Sumatra, Puki comes from the eastern part of Indonesia. Basically to describe pussy, and then sometimes they use the words like Pukimai, Chukimai. They to describe your mother's pussy, and then that's like a sentence in its own thing. And then for degrading shits like LGBTQ, blah 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 blah, like lonte, basically
A bitch.
a bitch. Yeah, I think it comes from both Padang and Jawa. Lon means like cheap, che means like happy, lonce or like a happy hour for like cheap prices and shit.
Yep. Jablay is also
Yeah, maho comes from like manusia homo, and then
homo is basically homosexual.
homosexuals, which is alright by the way. I guess I don't know. Boti means bottom, basically describing if you are in the community, or like usually they are bottoms. Like no, nothing wrong with that. Banci, bandule, cili.
Bijinya kecil.
Yeah, basically.
Or having a small nuts.
Yeah, you got
Small
small
balls.
balls. Basically, bencong, murahan means you're cheap. Jablay means jarang dibelai.
Yeah.
Why are you
basically-
unhappy with that?
No, I'm good.
No, seriously. Jablay, why? Like, jablay literally means jarang dibelai.
Well, I mean, like, is that?
Yeah, that's it. Like, you've heard the song before. And then logically wise, like, oh, jablay, jarang dibelai.
No,
Means that you're seeking for attention.
No, I thought because there has to be like another meaning.
There's no deeper meanings.
Okay.
It's actually described in the internet like, no, jablay means jarang dibelai. So sometimes we don't need to get deep on that. Like, what the fuck you mean?
I don't know. Like, it's just disappointing, isn't it?
What do you mean it's disappointing?
Well, I mean, like, I don't know. I thought like jarang dibelai, it's like a positive kind of, Like,
Well, no, it means like you're seeking for attention, in that sense. Jarang dibelai, meaning that you don't get enough love either from your family or your loved ones, so you seek others' attention. Basically, a hoe. Yeah, and then that's it. The name is Jarang dibelai. That's it. Like, there's no, like, what are you doing here?
okay.
Like, why are you disappointed?
I can live with that.
Why are you disappointed?
I don't know, because I thought like jablay was like you have another like curse word meanings for jablay, but then the jarang dibelai thing is like the good ways, like like our podcast Tobrut, it means toket brutal in some way, but like we make another short, we make another thoughts brutally true, and
Yeah, but sometimes
I
you
thought-
don't need to go that far, man. It's just jablay. That's it. Bro.
okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay,
That's
I can
it.
live with that. I can live with that.
Yeah. Anyways, and then Sara, by the way, Sara. Yeah. Well, what does Sara stand for?
Suku, agama, ras, dan antagolongan, or basically races, religion. What else in there? Suku, agama, dan ras. It's basically races and religion, basically. So like when you curse out like someone being being a Muslim or being a Christian.
Which is not like
Which is
that doesn't
not
make sense, to be
it's
honest.
It's not make sense, but
Doesn't
that's-
make sense, honestly.
I mean, that's about what's Indonesia's about, right? Or like basically what a curse word is, because sometimes a curse word is a curse word, but an offensive word
Yeah, they are.
is also a different thing. Like
There's a
when you're
different-
saying like so basically like when I say that you're ugly, jelek lo.
Jelek lo, gitu.
Yeah, it's not necessarily a curse, but like it's an offensive word.
Yeah,
for sure.
it's just me calling you like, oh, you
Yeah,
oh,
it's
bau
just,
lu, gitu.
yeah, it's just me or you being a meanie, basically. Yeah, it's just mean.
Yeah, like
for
guy-
saying that it
yeah.
could be true or false, but like it's just not something that you have to say out loud to that certain person. And say like you don't have to tell people that he is smelly by saying like bau lu gitu. Bau basically means smelly, basically.
Yeah, or maybe nowadays, like when in 2024, usually like not even 2024, even since 2023, when you call someone like nggak skena lo, that's even an offensive word. Like I don't get why people are so offended when people call them lu nggak skena, bro. Like,
Yeah.
what the fuck is that?
So basically, that's the other way for saying that you're not
Yeah,
unique.
like, you're
just-
basic.
Yeah, you're just basic as hell, basically.
Yeah, so what? Like basic is fucking subjective. Like why do you need to like be offended? Like why am I Italian? Like hey, why do you need to
I mean that's true. Like, but I mean like you don't have to like wearing a black cap or like wearing a black T-shirt, wearing a black
Yeah,
jeans.
motherfucker, it's sunny outside.
Yeah, I
It's
know,
hot.
right? Wear your white Air Force, wearing your carabiner or something, wearing an earring, wearing a ring.
What are you wearing right now? You're wearing black pants and your Air Force. Are you skena?
Next thing in our I'm not Scanner, guys. No.
Yeah.
No, don't write in the comments. I'm not Scanner. I'm not Scanner.
I mean like
I'm
the word
basic as well.
the word
also
skena.
also I'm not an Asian baby boy, so not saying that I'm ABB in the future. Okay, no one curse me out, cuss me out, saying shit like
I don't think
no,
I don't
you're
think
the
they would.
ABB because you listen to Wave to Earth, you listen to K-Shit.
but
No,
but no one's calling you that.
some people did do that.
Really? Yes. Why are you stop whispering the fuck?
Okay, sorry.
Stop making you weird.
Because it's cute that we can do ASMR in here.
Stop.
Okay.
No.
Nah, that's just offensive.
No, stop. No.
That's just offensive.
What do you mean it's offensive? I said stop. I said
Not
stop.
unlike somebody who sings the fucking.
What?
Okay, next.
Alright. Next. All right. So usually, like, when you call it not skena or like, sometimes when you make
I just
jokes,
realized something basically.
Stop.
When people are saying something like not scanner or anything, are we getting lazy with
Yeah.
our curse words?
We're
offensive
fucking
words, Or
lazy.
basically just getting lazy with our profanities, basically. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's the same message.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm realizing from this conversation, basically.
Yeah, we are. I mean, kayak sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. Like I would like to say that sometimes we do get creative, but then again, sometimes it doesn't sound as funny. Like I remember one time, someone called my friend Tapir just because he has like dark skin and white skin. Like the suntan and everything.
Like the suntan,
They call him
I get
Tapir
it.
for some reason.
I know, right? Like,
Yeah.
but just by curses being getting lazier or getting not as mean as back then.
Yeah, but
I think people also get offended easily.
Oh yeah, most definitely, because everything cancelable now.
Yeah, I mean, I know, right? Like,
Yeah.
it's kind of frustrating me so much because, like, sometimes when we say something like, as a joke, basically, like, we joke around and then we say, fuck you a lot, but like a lot of
It's
people
normal.
see us as like are you guys hating on each other? And I was like, no, that's just banter. I mean, like,
Yeah, that's just banter.
It's just literally like I can talk shit about
Yeah, but
you,
like, yeah,
but like, yeah,
I
you
think-
can also talk shit about me. It's not
Yeah.
like I'm just cursing out to you all the time, right? And you're not getting offended by that,
No,
right?
no.
Right?
But like usually, when it comes to like using curse words and everything, it tends to unlock itself when you are in a closer proximity as friends.
Yeah,
like
when you're
you-
getting
yeah.
comfortable with each other.
Yeah, like you don't go to a random person and just like, hey, ngentot lu ya.
Okay,
bro,
okay,
you're getting
that's-
beat up.
That's just mean. Okay,
Exactly, yeah.
If you
Yeah, you're
actually
getting beat
goes
up.
to a random person on the street or like
Yeah.
you go to a restaurant and just saying like, bitch, fuck you, man. Like,
Yeah, you're calling your kontol.
Yeah,
no,
I
don't
mean,
do
it's
that.
just- yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
yeah,
Don't
if
be a
you
rude-
actually did that, that's just being rude.
yeah,
That's
don't
just
be a rude
being mean.
motherfucker. Don't be rude. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? All right.
Yeah, but basically, if you're doing it with your friends or doing it with your
with
just
your-
the closest
yeah,
people,
just close ones.
Yeah, just the close one. I think that's
Fine.
as hell.
Like as long as you keep it in moderation, right? Like even calling your parents' name, which is kind of weird to me, to be
yeah,
honest.
but basically,
Yeah,
if
like-
you're calling your parents the curse words, I mean, that's
It's
just
not even curse words. It's just I don't know. It's just random, to be honest.
no. But like in the Eastern culture, like we kind of respect our parents better, or we put them in the higher place than the Western culture. But so
Fair.
basically, we not really curse our parents like that, but like some people
Yeah.
did it.
It's not like some motherfucker just call like, oh yo, Mr. Johnny. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
That's
you
just
call
weird.
you call your parents like yo.
Yo, Steven. Like what the fuck?
Yeah. We don't really do that.
It's
in
just weird. It's
Indonesia.
just weird.
Yeah, it's just weird.
Yeah, but yeah, like. sorry.
Oh, you wanna play that? Oh, you wanna play that shit, huh? You talk shit about my dad like I didn't know your both parents' name, huh? Okay. Okay. So you can
Anyways,
play at that game,
we're
motherfucker.
getting into
Nah.
a smoke break. Yeah, well,
Terima kasih sahabat.
the song actually means that it's the ending for our fucking episode, I think, for tonight. Today.
Tonight on podcast. Tonight on Tobrut, ladies and gentlemen.
No, you're not doing it right. Tonight on Tobrut, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about curse words. So, no, that's just weird.
Yeah, so basically, just turn off the music, man.
Yeah, but anyways, that's the
I
end
think
of our
that's the
episode.
end of our episodes right now. We're sorry if we're not really saying
No.
what we want or that.
Don't apologize.
Okay, don't apologize. Okay, so basically, fuck you.
No, don't offend them as well.
No, because
okay.
like I think we just like listing out curse words and how to use it, like, but like yeah, basically just you can use it with your friends or like when you're raging or modding in your online games in the Asia server, basically when you met Indonesian or like
Yeah.
I don't know, like
So it's not-
sometimes Malaysian also gets our curse words, so like
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
use that.
Basically, so we diversify your palette for curse words in Valorant. Essentially,
In Valorant,
you don't get to
Dota,
hear, yeah,
Exactly.
exactly. You don't need to hear like putangina all the time. Like it's boring, right? Like maybe go to Valorant and say kontov once in a while, and then get Indonesians hyped or whatever. Like kontov, kontov.
You can always get into like some Indonesian random YouTubers chat,
dude,
make
like,
their days
like for
basically.
real. Yeah, just one tiny point. Usually Indonesians, we get crazy happy when one of y'all like any foreigners who actually watch this say an Indonesian curse words. Like for
Yeah,
example,
we overhype that
Yeah, well,
shit.
like Cara Delevingne saying, "Oh, ngentot." Like, oh shit, let's go. Like, what the hell? Indo pride. It's just weird.
I know, right? Like just one
Yeah.
kind of famous person saying ngentot, and we're just
And
like,
it's like, oh my god, she knows ngentot. Like
he knows. He knows,
Yeah.
like, Chris Hemsworth, if you watch this video, please curse one time, bro, in your videos, and we're just gonna be crazy. You're gonna be crazy, hella famous in Indonesia, and I bet my life on it. Like, if you're not famous in Indonesia enough, I swear to God, just
Yep.
yeah, we need to roll it down.
Yeah.
Reel
Down the yap.
Okay,
Reel down the
okay.
yap.
I'm sorry.
All right, okay. So that's enough. That's enough for today. Thank you for watching Tobrut Thoughts Brutally True. That your dad comes back home from buying cigarettes and the milk.
And when your dad doesn't really come home, no,
That's just sad. Anyways,
That's
just
just
check our Instagram, our TikTok, and our YouTube for
Our
further
OnlyFans.
content. Hashtag still no OnlyFans, by the way, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
can live
So
with
I guess we'll see you guys in the next episode of Tobrut from Raw Opinions. See you guys later.
peace.